Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your Android phone into an iPhone. So let's get started. And first of all, you need to open the Play Store from the app menu and then click on the search bar and type iPhone, iPhone and 12 and press enter. And in my phone it is already being installed, so wait till it gets installed. Once it gets installed on your phone, you can change your Android phone into an iPhone. So let's see it. And now it is installed on my Android device. You can see it from your app menu, or if you try to go back to your home page, it asks for the launcher you want to apply on your home screen. So the iPhone 12 has installed, and so now you can change your Android phone into an iPhone. So click on the right side icon shown as iPhone 12 launcher, and now my phone is gonna be changed into an iPhone. So allow all the permissions it asks for. Set as default and then click on iPhone 12 control, and now it is giving you some tips how you can use this app on your Android phone, how you can enjoy it. So bye, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Bye.